Today, we're exploring the world of trucking rate calculators. If you're in the logistics game, you know how crucial these tools are. They help figure out shipping costs by considering things like distance, weight, and the type of goods you're hauling. They give super accurate, instant price estimates, saving time for both companies and independent truck operators. Now, you might wonder what sets trucking rate calculators apart from general freight calculators. The key difference is that trucking calculators are all about over-the-road shipments. They focus on specifics like fuel costs and road tolls, giving you precise quotes tailored just for trucking. Pretty neat, right? Let's talk about why you need to get friendly with these calculators. For starters, they help set competitive rates and boost profitability. They break down expenses in detail, which is awesome for budget planning and forecasting. In such a fast-paced industry, getting quick and accurate estimates is a game changer, and that's where Moving Authority comes in. We offer expert advice to make the most of these tools. What really affects trucking rates? Here's the lowdown. First up, the weight, dimensions, and volume of your shipment. Heavier and bulkier loads tend to cost more because they need stronger vehicles and use more fuel. Then there's the origin and destination. Longer distances can bump up costs, especially if you're heading to remote areas. Don't forget freight class and density. Denser items cost less to ship since they make better use of space. Economic conditions play a role too. When fuel prices spike or demand for trucking services goes up, expect costs to rise. But if you understand these factors, you can anticipate shipping costs and plan better. So, how do you use a trucking rate calculator? It's simpler than you'd think. Start by gathering all shipment details. Pop in the origin and destination to figure out the distance. Enter the weight and dimensions, and select the right freight class. Compare carrier rates, and maybe even optimize routes to save money. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. The benefits are huge. You save time, gain cost transparency, and easily compare rates across carriers. It's about shipping smarter, not harder. Whether it's LTL or FTL shipments, Moving Authority has got you covered with the right tool for your needs. Run into any challenges? You're not alone. Inaccuracies happen, but double-checking inputs can solve that. Hidden costs? Keep an eye out for those and be upfront with carriers to avoid surprises. At Moving Authority, we've got the resources to tackle these hiccups head-on. Remember, if you've got any burning questions or need help, Moving Authority is here for you. Head over to movingauthority.com or give us a call. We're committed to making your shipping journey as smooth as possible. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, keep those wheels turning.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.